In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a user in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. From here, click right here on your top left to access this drop-down menu and then click on Admin Center. Next, you should see a couple of icons right here on your left panel. Click on People. Then, on team members, this is where you can create or add a new team member. So currently, I am the only one right here. So by clicking here on create team member, put in a name, let's say, then add an email or put in the email of this team member. Then next, let's say, the next. After that, assign a role to this new team member, then save. And as easy as that, you've successfully created and added a new user to your Zendesk account. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.